If you are a digital marketing agency owner and you want to save your time, cost and get better result for your clients for whom you are doing local SEO, that is management of Google business profile, I'll be sharing 6 benefits which you can get from our app GBPGM. The first benefit is, guys, you can schedule the post, thus saving a lot of time for the monthly work done, and they are posted on a timely manner as well. Secondly, you can schedule the media as well, thus saving again a lot of time, and timely posting of media is also ensured. Third is, guys, you can set up auto review reply, which gives a proper custom review reply, that to every half an hour, thus missing the chances that any review is left unreplied. Fourth is, guys, you can build citations using this tool much easier than you used to create it now, and thus saving a lot of time, and definitely you can get a proper report of the citations working or not in few minutes. Fifth is, guys, you can utilize the audit and analysis provided by our app to compare the keywords and the competitors of your client, and thus changing the keywords and content on a timely basis and get the report of the progress of the work done. And the last and final benefit is, guys, easy user management, through which you can actually allocate and deallocate the rights of different clients to your staff, and it makes it easy for you to handle that particular project. So what are you waiting for, guys? Just click on the app link given below and install GBPGM today and try it now.